Alright guys, I'm about to ride my first stunt bike. Oh my god! Crazy, bro. I'm gonna ride this thing. On the freeway, well, let's see what's going on.
Looks like someone just spun out, I guess.
They probably spun out in the rain. Look at this.
Oh, the whole front of that van is
Warmed up? Can I whip it around?
yeah, just look at the tip. Make sure it's above 170.
Alright, thank you, bro. Alright guys, I'm about to ride my first stunt bike. I'm not gonna do anything crazy or any wheelies on it, but what the f? That's like a one finger. Bro, the one finger clutch? What?
That's the clutch, the top one. Yeah, this is the brake.
Alright, fill me in because this is weird.
You don't need to worry about that. That's not there.
I'm not touching any of that. Where's the starter? Are there?
Yeah, just be easy with her.
Oh my god. Oh my god. That's so torquey.
Yeah. Oh, it'll do a backflip in second gear.
Holy f. Yo, can you hold this? Yo. Hold this piece.
Yeah.
Thank you. Am I filming?
Yep, you're on.
Alright guys, let's get it. Oh my god, that's so torquey, guys. This is insane. And guys, this is my first time riding a stunt bike. This is fucking, I'm sorry for my language, but this is crazy. This is crazy, guys. Oh my god! God, guys, this is so sick. I'm riding a freaking stunt bike. Oh my god! Ah! Guys, this is so sick. Alright, I'm gonna give it back to him before I... God damn. This is insane. Alright, how do you turn this thing off? Right there. Oh my god. Oh my god. Woo! That's so sick. That was insane. My first stunt bike I've ever ridden. There's a twisted T-can on it. Why? Dude, why is there a twisted T-can on it?
We were trying to get sponsored.
Dude, thank you for letting me ride that, bro. That's so sick. It's a different type of bike.
Right?
It's so torquey.
Yeah, dude. I mean,
It like pops up in the, oh my god.
I don't have to do anything but clutch and throttle.
Bro, thank you, brother. That felt great. Yeah.
I told him until you bring your helmet. I was like,
Yeah. Is this still filming?
yeah.
Guys, so I just rode like a stunt bike, but these guys are gonna show me what's actually good with stunting, bro. These guys are crazy. Let's see it. But yeah, that bike is so torquey, like every gear just pops up. It's crazy. But we got all these bikes right here. We got these bikes, we got these bikes, we got these bikes. Look at this GTA bike, but yeah. Let's see some stunts, guys. Let's go. We got this guy unloading his trailer right here. Look at it. Woo! But yeah, let's see this guy. Let's see my boy Bobby right here. He's gonna do some crazy stuff. Let's go. Yes! These guys are crazy. Oh, stunt guys are insane. This is sick. Alright, I'm taking a Ninja off the stands right here. Go. Let's go. Levi, let's see it. Oh, guys, watch this. Let's go. Let's go. These guys are crazy. I love it. Look at him. Look at him. This is about to be sick. Guys, this is so sick. Yes, let's go. These guys go crazy. I love it. Let's go! Alright guys, I hope you can hear me. I'm gonna ride the Dank Wheelie 636. This is crazy, bro. I'm gonna ride this thing. How do you start this thing?
Is it neutral? Maybe not.
No, it's a neutral. Alright. Oh my god. Where's the start button?
Right below that. I think your kickstand down, right? Or not?
You're right. Kickstand was down. Alright, this thing's about to be hella torquey, guys. Oh my god. Guys, these stunt bikes are no joke. They're so torquey. Oh my god. I hope no cops show up. Oh my god. This is so torquey. I'm gonna do one more pull. Guys, this thing is insane. Oh my god. I hope I'm filming. Let's see if we can do a little wheelie. Oh my god! Oh my god, this bike is... I just rode Dank Wheelie's bike, guys. I'm done. This thing is fucking insane. Oh my god. Am I filming? Yeah! I just rode Dank Wheelie's bike. That's crazy. This thing is so torquey, guys. Look at that. Thanks to that guy. Thank you, bro. That thing was awesome. Yeah. It's so torquey. Yeah, the brakes are so touchy too. I went in first gear like,
that fucking sprocket, bro.
Dude, that's gnarly. Oh my god. What is that little intake for right there?
So it's a clean air mod. So basically the airbox is gutted. So that goes straight to where the airbox would be.
So that's your little intake.
Yeah,
that's nuts.
I gotta figure out what it is.
Dude, this thing is insane. I got my blood going, you know?
I was gonna punch it. I was like, oh, he's gonna slide halfway across the line.
Yeah, bro. Oh my god.
What year? You said you got a 636?
Mine's an 06.
06?
Yeah.
That's a good year to stunt, man.
I know, but I'm...
First bike was a 06, right? Yeah, it's not good. What? That's ain't.
Dude, my boy said it's the best stunt bike, though.
03, 04 is like the best, I feel like. And like 13 and up, and then like 05, 06.
Yeah. Dude, that's like, oh my god, thank you for that, bro. That was awesome. We got the whole bike crew here now. We got like, look at this. We got this, we got this. We got all these trailers pulling up. Sir on. We got a Husky right here.
Big dog, how are you? Long time no see.
Look at that. We got the 15-inch sub right here too. This is sick, guys. Yo, the stunt boys, let's go. Oh, he just fell. It's okay, it happens. Alright guys, the cops just pulled up. Check it out. All the bikes are right here.
I don't know. There was a truck out here. He just loaded it was an 18-wheeler truck though, but he loaded something from there. And
Yeah, he
like
said he had to call his dispatch because there was no paperwork on the truck.
Okay.
Yeah. So he said we were fine, like, as far as he was concerned.
Sounds good. He said there was burglary.
Have a great day, guys.
And best
Maybe
of luck.
I'm trying to get in.
Golden.
I got a couple. Now you have the same brand on his shirt.
I'll just say it, though. People walk through Walmart.
Wow, that pops. Crazy. Sir on the back. I hope you guys like this video. This is sick. Ah, don't drop it. Oh yeah, guys, this is so dope. The stunt squad, they're sick guys, bro. I love it. Oh. Ah. So everyone's out on the bikes now. I'm just chilling here. All the cops are still there. Everyone's just cruising down. Cops are still there, literally right there. Let's go! Cops are leaving, guys. They're out of here. Yo! They just left us alone. That's crazy. They left. That's crazy.
It's like it will be like a liability for them.
Oh, no. All right. Thank you.
Thank you,
Guys.
sir.
Be safe.
Thank you,
Be
guys.
safe, man. Hey!
So we're wrapping it up with this stunt spot. That was sick until the cops showed up, but they were cool until we got a little too crazy. But yeah, we're loading the bikes back up. Let's get it.
Are you the real T cars, bro?
We're packing it up with the cops in the background. You.